In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CC and BCC in Gmail. If you've ever wondered how to include people in an email conversation without making them the main recipient, or how to keep addresses private in a group message, this quick walkthrough will help you understand exactly where to find these options and what they do. First, open Gmail in your web browser and click the Compose button to start a new message. A new email window will appear. Look for the To field at the top of that window. This is where you normally add your main recipient. On the right side of the To line, you'll see small, light gray options labeled CC and BCC. They can be easy to miss at first glance, but they're right there on the same line as the To field. Click CC if you want to reveal the CC field. This creates an additional line in your Compose window. CC stands for Carbon Copy, and it's best used when you want to keep someone in the loop for visibility. Everyone who receives the email will be able to see the addresses listed in the To and CC fields, which makes it good for transparent communication where all parties should know who else is involved. If you need to keep certain recipients private, click BCC instead to open the BCC field. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy. Anyone added in BCC will receive the email, but their address will not be visible to people listed in the To or CC fields. Likewise, BCC recipients won't see any other BCC recipients. This is helpful for protecting privacy, especially when sending updates to a larger group who don't necessarily know each other. Think of To as your primary audience, CC as people who should be informed, and BCC as people who should get a discrete copy. This simple distinction helps keep your message professional and respectful of privacy. Another helpful detail: if someone clicks Reply All, Gmail will include everyone in the To and CC fields, but not those in BCC. That keeps hidden recipients from being pulled into follow-up conversations unintentionally. Use these fields thoughtfully. Add people to CC when their awareness matters, not just out of habit, so inboxes don't get crowded. Choose BCC for announcements or broad updates where sharing personal addresses isn't appropriate. And keep your subject line and message clear so every recipient understands why they've been included. That's all you need to confidently find and use CC and BCC in Gmail on desktop. Open Compose, look to the right of the To field, and click CC or BCC to reveal the fields you need. With these tools, your emails will be clearer, more considerate, and easier to manage.